Now, it's not that far from the house out here to the mailbox, but it's far enough that I don't want to make this trip unnecessarily, especially when the weather's bad. So that got me to thinking, is there some kind of a device out there that would alert me when the mail comes, so that when I do make that trek, I know, in fact, I've got mail.
Sure enough, an internet search turned up this product called Mail Alert. This wireless device has a small battery-operated transmitter that attaches to the inside of the mailbox lid, and a receiver that plugs into any household electrical outlet. When the mail delivery person lowers the mailbox lid, a sensor sends a signal to the receiver inside. An audible tone sounds and a light flashes, letting me know the mail has arrived.
Well, my mailbox alert system won't keep me from having to come out in the weather, but at least when I do, I'll know that there's mail here.